Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn Introduction to Whiskey, which is the topic from subject Bar Operations and Management. And here we are going to learn whiskey and its production and its types. First, we are going to learn whiskey introduction. Whiskey or whiskey refers to a broad category of alcoholic beverages that are distilled from fermented grain mash and aged in wooden casks. Here we are going to learn whiskey making process. Whiskies can be made from a variety of cereals depending on their types and water. These cereals are barley, corn, rye, wheat. Malting. The process which converts barley to malt refer to malting process in making of beer. Mashing, which produces wort sugar solution from ground or crushed malt. Fermentation, a process that produces wash, a weak, crude, impure spirit consequent upon the introduction of yeast in the wort. Distillation, the process that strengthens and purifies the spirit contained in the wash and also separates the solids contained in the spirituous liquor. Maturation, the process that transforms the raw spirit into whiskey. Bottling, after the period of maturation, the spirit is bottled to be sold. Different types of whiskies: Scotch whiskey, Irish whiskey, American whiskey, Canadian whiskey, and Indian whiskey. Here we are going to learn the Scotch whiskey. Scotch whiskey must be distilled at a Scottish distillery from water and malted barley, to which only other whole grains may be added, have been processed at that distillery into a mash and fermented only by the addition of yeast. Scotch whiskey must be matured in Scotland in oak casks for not less than 3 years. Must not contain any added substance other than water and caramel color. Single malt whiskey. It is a malt whiskey from one distillery: Glendish, Glenmorangie, the Macallan, Balvenie, Glenlivet, Highland Park, Lagavulin, Lamphroe. Blended Scotch whiskey. It is a mixture of malt and grain whiskey. Johnnie Walker, Cutty Sark, Famous Grouse, Chivas Regal. Here we are going to learn Irish whiskey. It is a whiskey made in Ireland. The grains used in making of Irish whiskey are barley, rye, and corn. Irish whiskey has to be distilled thrice and matured for at least 3 years. No peat fire is used to dry the malt. American whiskey. American whiskey have two categories. One is Kentucky and second is Tennessee. First we are going to learn Kentucky. These whiskies are called bourbons, made not less than 51% corn with malted barley. Barrels used are charred, toasted, and made of American oak. Example: Wild Turkey, Maker's Mark, and Jim Beam. Second is Tennessee. Whiskies are produced from a sour mash, produces some of the world's richest and smoothest whiskies, sherried in oak casks and then filtered through a mass of charcoal. Example: Jack Daniels No. 7. Canadian whiskey, made from blend of different grains, rye, corn and malted barley. They have a reputation of being the lightest of all classic whiskies. Famous brands of Canadian whiskey, Canadian Club and Crown Royal. And the last is Indian whiskey, made from various distilled spirits from predominantly molasses, but nowadays barley malt is also used. Some of the famous Indian whiskies are Royal Challenge, Bagpiper, Antiquity. And in the end, we are going to learn service of whiskey. Whiskey is served in the following ways: one is up, second is on the rocks, third is neat, and the fourth is with mixtures. Whiskey is generally served in an old fashioned glass.